I've used the Arkmiido video doorbell for a few days now, and although I'm happy with it, I realized that I need basically a wireless doorbell extension for it. That's because I'm sometimes upstairs and not that close to my phone, and when someone rings, basically the outside bell does ring, but you might not hear it, or you might not be close to the phone to hear the actual notification on the phone and the seat. So I just got this for $9.99. It's made by the same company, obviously. I did expect it to be bigger than what it is. It's basically just a plug-in simple chime. The features of it, let's see here. It's got an easy installation, a range of 300 meters of operation and 5 levels of volume, 55 ringtones and a low power consumption. Basically what you need to do is just plug it into a mains and switch it on, and press the transmitter button on it, which it's on, I think it's on the doorbell, and obviously the doorbell will send the signal to this, and this will basically ring, I guess, and also will flash. And then, you know, pressing the backward and forward buttons on it will change the melodies. You also can hold this volume button for the transmitter and everything else. So I'm gonna plug it in and see exactly how this is going to work and sound. First of all, I'll plug it in right here. I'll use an extension cable, and this is the furthest away, right here on the terrace, the furthest away from the entrance to the main door. So if this is going to receive the signal here and it's going to work, that means it's going to work all through the house. I'll get the extension cable and plug it in. Okay, I don't know the extension cable here, but it does work. So first of all, just plug in. Alright, I already have a ding sound, and so we plug it into the sockets and switch the socket on. I guess this is on anyway. Press the transmitter push button and confirm the transmitter indicator flashes. So press and hold out the volume button for 5 seconds. The volume button is right here. Press and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can hear a ding, and the receiver indicator flashes. Well, I haven't got a flash. Okay, so basically the instructions are not too clear, so I have to press and hold this for 5 seconds. The indicator flashes. That means the doorbell enters into pairing mode. The pairing mode lasts for 8 seconds and it will exit. Press the button on the transmitter quickly. It will make a ding dong and the receiver indicator flashing. Press the button on the transmitter again to confirm whether the current ringtone is the one you have set. If yes, pairing is completed. So I'm pressing it 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hear a sound. Press quickly. I'm not getting it. So I would think that this is the receiver and the ones is the transmitter, obviously. And this would last for 8 seconds. So what I have to do is quickly press on this, wait for the pairing mode, and then press it quickly on my doorbell outside. Okay, let's do this and then run to the door. Okay, so now that I did this, I would guess, and I hope it's being set up. I haven't heard it from out there, because what I've heard was the sound that that transmitter was making, the video doorbell. Now, just let me adjust the level here, pressing this. Okay. I'm just going back. So I just chose the normal ring. I guess it's loud enough for me. I don't need to change the volume on it. Let me just plug it in somewhere in the house now, and or what I'll do, how can I do this so I can hear it without hearing that sound out there. Let me try and press my transmitter, my video doorbell again, and listen to it. Okay, so I guess this didn't ring. Let's see what we can do to it. I shall move it closer to that transmitter to get that 8 seconds of pairing. I think I somehow managed to pair it. Let me check now. The sound is quite loud here, so I'll quickly run outside, ring my own doorbell again, and see if it does ring. So that's the result. It does ring. Like I said, this is the furthest distance away from the doorbell. The reception is good. Of course, it does depend how large your house or your property is and when you want to place this doorbell. You will see that link in the description if you want to pair this with your video doorbell from Arkmiido.